Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Ajay Tiwari, consultant orthopedic surgeon from Deccan Hospital, Rajbhavan Road, Hyderabad. I just want to let you know today about the most commonest topics in orthopedics, that is osteoarthritis. Osteoarthritis in a very simple common language is wear and tear of the joints. The most commonest being the knees, wherein a lot of knee replacements are going on nowadays. Coming down to osteoarthritis, it's about we have about grade 4 stages in osteoarthritis: 1, 2, 3, and 4. Wherein the most commonest symptoms being, severe pain, stiffness, difficulty in walking, difficulty in movements, all of that. As far as the treatment part is concerned, there's significant improvement as far as the treatment is concerned nowadays. We are doing a lot of platelet-rich plasma, doing a lot of lubricants, a lot of biologics which have been added to the treatment in osteoarthritis, which is very, very useful if the patient comes up early in stage 1 or stage 2 of the diseases. And coming down to stage 3, we can continue to do PRP in those sort of patients. But stage 4, you got to be getting ready with for the joint replacement. But the most commonest and the most significant indication for joint replacement is pain and excruciating pain and inability to walk and do your daily routines. And as far as joint replacement is concerned, it's one of the most commonest surgeries to be done in India and across the world, with the results being excellent everywhere else. And we do a lot of orthopedic work in our hospital, coming down from trauma to spine to joint replacements to all the the best possible things you can ask for. We have excellent OTs, excellent anesthetists out here with significant support staff, which makes this particular hospital a very friendly and happy-go-lucky place to go and get yourself treated. Thank you.